What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? Y'all don't understand, I literally did my makeup, wiped it off 4 times. I just kept messing up, and I refused to give you guys ain't shit ass quality. So finally we achieved this look. Today I wanted to give you guys a colorful look. Someone actually requested for me to do a colorful makeup tutorial for beginners. So in this video I wanted to show you guys how to not be afraid of color, how to use color, how to blend, and how to make colors look vibrant. I wanted to talk to you guys about some products that oleanders products sent me. They just sent me so many things, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much to Tiffany. Shout out to you. Thank you for sending me these products. I was super excited to use these in my videos, and I can't wait to keep using them because I really do like these products. Alrighty guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go with my OLP primer, and we're going to prime my eyes. Now this step is very important. I'm gonna go ahead and create a base. I'm using a concealer, but you can use any eyeshadow base. If you use a concealer though, I recommend that you go a few shades lighter than you. This is my Juvias Place concealer in J18, and I'm blending that out, making sure we have no creases and we have a nice foundation to start with, period. So now with my oleanders products, I'm going to take this Go Green palette. I love this freaking palette. That green color you see there, I'm going to use that, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner crease. So one thing I like about this palette is it's very buildable. Some palettes are like extremely pigmented, but this is more beginner friendly because you can build as much color as you need. Now with my James Charles palette, I'm going to take this purple shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my outer crease. And don't be shy to let that touch your lid because we are gonna utilize the color on the lid as well. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. But with that yellow shade that I showed you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pat that on top of the green. Those two colors we're gonna mix in together. So as you see, we do patting motions. Then we go in with the old brush. This brush has no extra products. It just has a product that has left over on there. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that together. And I just showed you guys how I kind of lift up my eyebrows to look as if I'm surprised. And that just gives me more room to work with on my eyes, okay? So I'm just going back in and blending out that green. Y'all, my neck was hurting. I was so tired. Okay, so with that orange shade that you see right there, I'm gonna go ahead and pack that on the purple. And stay tuned for the end of my video. I'm gonna actually shout out this YouTuber that inspired me to do this makeup look. But yeah, so I go ahead, pack that orange in, then I go back in with my purple brush and blend it out. And now here, I'm just packing on the colors and mixing them in together because I feel like I lost the pigment in the blending process. With that same concealer that we used in the beginning, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and right now I'm cutting it in a halo effect. So I hope everything was very explanatory. I'm going to kind of let everything else speak for itself. Yeah, when you're blending, first step, pack on those colors, pack as much as you need to get high pigmentation. Then you go ahead, pack on the second color that you'll be blending that with, and then you lightly blend into each other. So here I'm going back in with that same eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna pack on that green, and I'm kind of just doing it at an angle. As you see, like I'm kind of slanting that halo effect. I don't know, hopefully you guys can kind of understand from what I'm doing here. But with my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm gonna take that neon green and we're just gonna pack that onto the center. All right, so everything's looking good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. And I also did a wing liner off camera. If you want to update the tutorial on how I apply my wing liner, just comment down below. And a key part to achieving flawless eyeshadow looks is smoking out your lash line. That's just gonna tie the look together. And then I also added a gold shimmer color to my inner tear duct. And this is my Oleanders face primer. Y'all, it felt so good. It was so moisturizing, so smooth. And like I showed you guys earlier, make sure you use my promo code team.stacie20 for 20% off your purchase. Their products are super affordable, but they are so good. I love them. And also here I'm using their brush. I'm using a lot of their brushes. All the brushes I use in my eyes will be linked below as well. These are also from Oleanders. I love their eye brushes. Their face brushes are good as well, but you'll see in a later segment, one of the face brushes I was not too much of a fan of. So this brush right here was actually using that to contour my face, but as you guys see, it was like shedding really bad. So I can just tell I'm not a fan of their face brushes, but their eye brushes are my favorite. Oh my god, y'all, I added too much blush. This is also a blush palette from them. The blush looked like it was a lot, but I ended up blending it out. It was definitely blendable, and it actually has like a highlighting effect in their blush. Really like the color, but at first very pigmented, so be very careful if you do go ahead and purchase blush from them. All right, y'all, so that is the end of this video. Oh my gosh, like, period. I really love this look. I'm actually gonna tell you guys who inspired me to do this look. Give me 5 seconds. Makeup by Kirsten. Oh my god, I found this girl's channel like 2 days ago, and I've been watching her videos. So you guys know at the end of my videos, I like to shout out 2 subscribers, 2 people that were supporting me, showing me love, and being active on my channel. Shout out to Future RN Honey, period. Shout out to you. Thank you, because you actually inspired me to do this colorful makeup look, because on my channel I kind of like natural soft glams, which I'm definitely gonna be doing those too. But yeah, you leaving that comment was like kind of my gas pump to make me kind of step out the box and show you guys what I really could do. And then lastly, shout out to Ashley Jackson. Why can't I talk? Shout out to Ashley Jackson. Thank you. Shout out to you. Thank you for commenting on my videos. You made me laugh, because at first I was like, oh, she's trying to clock me, but then it was actually an insider. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this look, if you guys are excited for me to go down the beauty community and just kind of be more into that lane, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up so I know you guys like these type of videos, because I want to know if you guys are cool with me kind of going down the colorful bright side, or do you like natural soft glam, stuff like that. So yeah, comment down below, show love so you can be featured on my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye guys.